What if I told you the most important skincare product isn't your expensive serum or luxury moisturizer? It's your cleanser. Every single day, your skin collects dirt, oil, pollution, sweat, bacteria, and dead skin cells. Even if you stay indoors, your face is constantly exposed to invisible particles that clog pores and dull your complexion. But here's what most people get wrong. A harsh cleanser can strip away your skin's natural protective barrier, leaving your face dry, irritated, and producing even more oil. On the other hand, skipping cleansing allows impurities to build up, increasing the risk of acne, blackheads, and premature aging. The secret is choosing the right cleanser for your skin type. If you have oily skin, gel or foaming cleansers like CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, La Roche-Posay Effaclar Purifying Foaming Gel, or Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser are popular choices that help remove excess oil without over-drying. If your skin is dry or sensitive, hydrating options like CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Nourishing Oat Cleanser, or La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser are favorites for protecting your skin's moisture barrier. For combination skin, balanced cleansers such as Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel, Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser, or the Ordinary Glucoside Foaming Cleanser work well for many people. And if you wear makeup or sunscreen every day, try double cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser like Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil, DHC Deep Cleansing Oil, or Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Cleansing Oil. Then follow with a gentle, water-based cleanser to remove any remaining impurities. Here's another surprise. Hot water can weaken your skin barrier. Instead, wash with lukewarm water for about 30 to 60 seconds using gentle, circular motions. Scrubbing harder doesn't make your skin cleaner, it often causes irritation. Consistent cleansing also helps your serums, moisturizers, and treatments absorb more effectively because clean skin is better prepared to receive active ingredients. Healthy, glowing skin doesn't begin with the most expensive skincare routine. It begins with the right cleanser. Find one that matches your skin type, use it consistently, and your skin will thank you. Follow for more science-backed skincare tips, honest product recommendations, and dermatologist-inspired beauty secrets.